Can you see how this piece of shoulder armor is attached to the fabric? No? Good. One of the most important parts in foam crafting is attaching the armor to yourself. And honestly, strapping deserves an entire video of its own, and we will get there when we get there. But in this video, I want to talk about this. A fidlock. These are two parts of a fidlock, and this might be my new favorite way to have invisible strapping for your armor. A fidlock is pretty much a snap and magnet in one. The magnet pulls the two pieces together, of course, and then the locking mechanism keeps everything securely in place. And honestly, it's also just very satisfying to use. At CosplayShop, we carry two versions. We have a screw-on fidlock and sewable fidlocks. Both versions come in male and female, and of course you need one of each for them to connect. A screw-on male works perfectly fine with a sewable female and vice versa. But I think for foam crafting, the sewable version will be the most interesting, and the screwables will be more of a niche type of thing. Let's say you have a shoulder piece like this. You need it to stay securely attached to your costume, so first I'm sewing a female fidlock onto the sleeve. Now, even though we call these the sewables, they are pretty rigid because it's made of plastic after all, so I do recommend pre-punching some holes because otherwise it's not gonna be fun at all. I'm just using my cutting mat for this. There's probably a more professional method, like maybe a drill or maybe a leather punch, but honestly, this works fine for me. Now, you might also be wondering, why not have some pre-punched holes in the first place? Well, it's to give you a choice, because these can also be used using a sewing machine. And it's good to have a choice, right? Once the female side is attached to the shirt, we need to attach a matching male side to the foam armor. I just mark the position first and then glue it down with some super glue. And honestly, super glue bonds incredibly well for these. By the way, even though I recommend super glue, hot glue and contact cement work too. And that's it, the moment of truth. As you can see, it slides into place incredibly easily. And once it's attached, so this thing is not going anywhere. You need a very deliberate movement to remove it again. Like I said, these cannot pull apart, but they slide apart, which means there is a direction in which it slides. So I recommend having it slide upwards so that you have gravity with you, because if you rotate it, it slides downward, and if you have some weight to it, it will just fall off. We don't want that. Now, attaching armor to fabric is probably how most cosplayers will use these, but I think there's another really interesting application, just foam to foam applications, which is pretty much the same process, which makes it incredibly useful for removable armor sections, or maybe you need a department in your costume for like storage. Though we also have to be real and admit that with a way bigger piece, it's easier for them to slide out again because it's just getting too big and too heavy. And that's it. Very short video, but I do think it's worth it because I think it's a very interesting thing to use. I've seen some people on our Instagram reel talking about how they use it for their ponytail wig. That might be interesting. So if you get these yourself and you do some experimenting, you can always let us know your findings in the comments down below, or maybe in our Discord or our Instagram. I'm always happy to read those. Anyway, that's it for me. I'm Skyshark, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.